Hi everyone, it's Alex here from the Unearthed team. Welcome to your October newsletter, which is a little bit late because we have so much stuff going on. So let's get into it and see what's happening in your community. In just less than 2 weeks, the Unearthed team will be at the AMA conference held in Sydney from the 2nd to the 4th of November. It's not too late to join us. Come and learn from more than 450 mining leaders and resource experts through 6 concurrent conferences with a program covering the entire mining value chain. There'll be thousands of opportunities to network, brainstorm, and knowledge share across the 3 days at the ICC Sydney. We will be delighted to meet you all there. Use the link down below to register for your Expo Pass and come join us. Until the 15th of November, you can participate to Change How We Explore 2022. This challenge invites innovators to put forward their unique and novel solutions that can help reduce the in-ground water sources by supporting water conservation practices or providing alternative approaches. We're keen to hear from inside or outside the mining industry to really gather all the innovation that could help the exploration at Oz Minerals. Can you help Oz Mineral reduce the consumption of water in exploration and change how they explore? Submit your ideas. Follow the link down below. Have you heard of the open house? I'll let my colleague Jake explain what this is to you.
Hi guys, it's Jake here from the Unearthed team, and I'm new to the team here, and I just wanted to share with you some ideas around what we've got currently running here at Unearthed with Think Act Differently and Oz Minerals. Think Act Differently, or TAD as we like to call it, is a virtual incubator. And what does that mean for you as an innovator? It basically means that you're going to have first-class access to support, funding, and testing capabilities within the Oz Minerals operations. Oz Minerals are one of the really progressive mining houses here in Australia. This collection of challenges is called the open house. Now, what does the open house mean? In a nutshell, it means that it's always open. Innovation is always there to be found and move forward with, and we are trying to enable that at all times throughout the year. So within the open house, there are challenges that are currently set up. First off, material movement is about reducing the amount of material that are moved around the mine during the mining process. Now, this could be something that is open pit or underground, or it could be around processing and movement of rocks once they've been mined. This could be anything to do with haulage, conveyor systems, robots, automation, or any vague, ingenious engineering ideas that can reduce the amount of material that Oz Minerals and miners are moving around. Second up is slope engineering. I think a lot of people in the room would probably know what it is, but we're looking for people that are involved heavily in geotech, technical engineering, maybe the design of rock bolts, injection systems, maybe even piling and ground engineering, things that are on the fringes of mining. Finally, we've got separation and pre-concentration. It's thinking about new ideas such as chemistry, metallurgy, basically extraction techniques that are outside of the box. They are all aligned in trying to reduce and improve the mining process. If you don't fall into any of these categories, you can just submit via the open house submission form. Please get in touch, jump on the link below, and we can point you in the right direction. It's just 1 week left before the first round closes. Okay guys, so thanks for listening to that. Catch you next time.
And that's it for your newsletter for this month. As you can see, a lot happening, a lot going on for the innovators in our community. Feel free to contact us to get any more details around any of the opportunities, and hopefully we'll see you at AMAC. Have a beautiful rest of your month.